Hello children, how are you? Hope you all well and safe at home. Today we are going to read chapter number 22, that is types of adverbs. Okay. Words that tell us more about a verb is called adverb. Okay. For example, Vishal ran slowly. Vishal ran quickly. Here is ran slowly, मतलब धीरे दौड़ा और वहाँ क्विकली मीन्स फटाफट दौड़ा. रीड दिस सेंटेंस. सुहानी डांस ग्रेटफुली. द कैट स्लेप्ट क्वाइटली. सुहानी जो थी उन्होंने बहुत ग्रेसफुली बहुत अच्छी तरह डांस किया. द कैट स्लेप्ट क्वाइटली. द कैट जो थी बिल्कुल चुपचाप सो गई. द हाईलाइटेड एडवर्ब्स टेल अस. हाईलाइट जो है वर्ब्स हमें क्या बोलते हैं? टेल अस हाउ सुहानी डांस, मतलब सुहानी कैसे उसने डांस किया. एंड हाउ द कैट स्लेप्ट, और फिर कैट ने कैसे वो सोई. ओके. एडवर्ब्स दैट टेल अस हाउ और इन व्हाट मैनर्स an action is done are called adverbs of manner. Okay. Adverbs of manner can be formed in the following ways. We get adverbs of manner by adding ly to the adjectives. For example, we smile warmly. हमने मतलब बहुत warmly एकदम से हमने smile किया. Adjectives warm. Adjective. He speaks clearly. वो बहुत clearly बोलते हैं. Adjective is clear. Right children? When the adjective ends in y, we change the y to I. Okay, followed and add ly. For example, he shouted angrily. वो कैसे चिल्ला रहे थे? बहुत गुस्से से. Adjective is angry. The children waved happily. Adjective is happy. When the adjective ends in e, we drop the e and add ly. Example, he loved her truly. Adjective is true. Right children? I am terribly busy. Adjective is terrible. However, in some cases, when the adjective ends e, we keep the final e and add ly. For example, the soldiers fought bravely. Adjective brave. Okay, hope you children you are following nicely. He spoke rudely. Adjective is rude. मतलब भी जिसे मतलब मैनर से नहीं बोलना, बहुत गुस्से से अनमैनर्सली बोलना, दैट इज कॉल्ड रूडली. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ रीड दिस सेंटेंसेस. शी स्पोक इन अ सॉफ्ट वॉइस. उन्होंने बहुत प्यार से बहुत धीरे से आवाज़ से बोला. शी स्पोक सॉफ्टली. बहुत उन्होंने प्यार के से बोला. ओके. द वर्ड सॉफ्ट इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. इट डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन वॉइस. वो क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है हमें? वॉइस. ओके राइट चिल्ड्रन. द वर्ड सॉफ्टली in the second sentence is an adverb. It tells us more about the verb spoke. वो हमें क्या बोलता है? More about the verb हमने जो बोला है. Now next page 128 we will see here. A part. She has a neat handwriting. She writes neatly. The boy was very hungry. He ate the sandwiches hungrily. You should be careful with these glasses. Wash them carefully. The hare was very quick. The hare. He hopped away quickly. The bus had comfortable seats. We sat comfortably. He was feeling sleepy. He yawned sleepily. He yawned sleepily. Mrs. Kapoor is a fashionable lady. She dresses fashionably. Okay. Now let's see B part. Choose the correct option. You should be dash while crossing the road. Careful. Careful or carefully? Careful. The spectators cheered joyfully or joyful. Joyfully. She sounded angry or angrily. Angry. The baby slept peacefully or peaceful. Peacefully. This is a playful or playfully dog. Playful. This is a very proud or proudly movement. Proud. In the forest, wild animals are freely or free. Free. This is and dash easy or easily some. Easy. Thank you, children. I hope you followed this chapter very well. If you face any problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a good day.